Have you been using your iPhone without knowing its model numbers and its country of origin? The process to discover this information is quite easy. And this video will only exhibit how you can find out the model of your iPhone. As of 2021, it is estimated that there are billions of iPhones in the world. However, these billion iPhones are not all the same, because Apple sells iPhones in various countries. It has to alter its hardware slightly depending on government requirements. In addition, you will also be able to discover the country of origin of your iPhone. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up and also click the subscription button as we begin. How to find the model number of your iPhone. Learning where your iPhone comes from reveals a couple of interesting facts about your device. This is because there are slight differences in its various iPhone models across countries. To learn where your iPhone was manufactured, go to Settings. From Settings, scroll down to General. Then tap on About. Look at the model number. You should see two letters before the slash, which signify what country your device is from. The country of origin can be no from any of these letters. On iPhone 8 or later, you need to remove the SIM tray to find out the model number. Once you remove the tray, look for the number in the SIM tray slot. It is pertinent to use the bright light while looking for the number. The model number can be found out on the upper side. We hope that after watching this video, you can now tell which country manufactured your iPhone and the model number. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more of our videos.